How to find report technical problem on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find report a technical problem on your Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on the option before the last, which is report technical problem. And now you can report problems you have, and this is it. Click on report a problem and click on include. Wait for a second, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.